In 2022, we will launch the most advanced sports tourer ever conceived, matching incredible performance and dynamic abilities with a rider aid package that is industry leading and truly state of the art. Based around our balanced supercharged engine unit, we will launch the first radar sensor equipped machine from a Japanese manufacturer. The Bosch ARAS advanced rider assist system boasts forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control with automatic speed regulation, and blind spot detection. The new machine is the first to feature Kawasaki spin and onboard infotainment system. That's all from me. So, ladies and gentlemen, to conclude our EICMA presentation, Kawasaki is proud to unveil the 2022 Ninja H2 SX.